This week's AI Smackdown, GPT-4o vs. Gemini. The battle for AI supremacy continues. This week saw Google's I/O event clash with OpenAI's unveiling of GPT-4o, leaving many wondering who took the crown. GPT-4o's Zaire speedmoan, OpenAI boasts GPT-4o is twice as fast as its predecessor, making real-time interactions smoother. Multimodal Maestro, it can analyze text, images, and audio simultaneously, offering a more holistic understanding. Accessibility Advocate, a free, limited version allows broader user experience. Gemini's Power Play Data Digestion Champ, Gemini 1.5 processes massive amounts of information, tackling complex tasks like summarizing 100 emails. Search Revolution, Google Search integration promises a personalized AI assistant, crafting custom responses to your needs. Project Astro whispers, rumors hint at AI agents seamlessly handling tasks within Google products, potentially streamlining workflows.